Welcome back. Choose difficulty level. Choose your character. Wise
Unplug.
choice. You've selected Charlie 0. Level 1. You have up to 3 lives
Level
to
up.
pass this level.
Onwards to my quest! I must retrieve the precious emerald bracelet of the Catchy Valley. And it's right in there.
That's a
Take a
very
break from
crowded
5G.
place.
Unplug it.
Are you
Unplug it.
aware there's a pandemic?
A pan who?
Let me explain with a cutscene. Old coronavirus. Long white beard and walking cane. Harmless, huh? Well, hang on tight. He's about to mutate.
Ah! I feel stronger, faster. I will rule the world!
He's the level boss. Strong, sneaky, and will not hesitate to attack your lungs and potentially other organs. Oh, and he can also clone himself very fast.
I can clone myself? More of me! Ha! Look, another henchman! And another one!
Keep some
and
gloves.
another one!
Keep
and
your
thousands.
face covered.
Okay, you get the picture. So its code name is COVID-19. And wait for it. He travels in droplets of...
Cover that up.
Read the pop-up sign. It says how to beat COVID-19.
Nonsense. Continue. Oh, blimey. There's a disproportionate amount of coughing going on here. Darn! You coughed right in my face! What the...
Critical hit.
I think I need to get out. I don't feel so good.
Fever.
Most likely.
Shortness of breath.
Unquestionably.
Told you not to go in there.
Noob! Now you can't escape my claws!
Unplug your 5G Wi-Fi box. See how it feel. Unplug your game system. See how you feel. Delete your apps for a little bit. See how I feel. Enjoy your family time. Have a good day.